Step 1, you're gonna take your phone and then you're gonna go to Google Play Store. Step 2, you're gonna download this app for completely free. And step 3, you just earned $600. And you wanna learn how? Well, the first thing that you have to do is what's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. No selling or no video needed, no referral, no websites, and no complex setup. Super easy, super fast, the entire process from the very beginning to the very end. It'll only take you about 3 to 5 minutes, and it doesn't matter what country you're from, whether it's in the UK, Australia, Canada, Philippines, India, Pakistan, Nigeria, Indonesia, Bangladesh, or whatever country in the world, you're free to join. But here's a warning: there are a few common mistakes that most beginners actually do, and eventually they aren't successful in making money, and sometimes they make no money at all. And I'm going to show you how you're going to avoid these common mistakes. Plus, I am going to give you guys tips and tricks to triple and even quadruple your money so that you can make more money compared to the other people who don't actually follow our instructions. And let's just say you make $100, you can turn it to $200, $300, and even $500. So make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss out on anything, and let's jump right into it. Now, our first app that we can use to make money online is basically an app that has a huge library of millions of different high quality, high resolution photos, and there are two groups of people on this app. So number one, there are people who are looking to buy different photos daily, and then there are hundreds and thousands of people shopping around looking for different photos that they can buy. And the second group of people on this app would be the sellers, and these sellers are basically selling their photos in this app, and that's exactly how we're going to be making money using this application. Don't worry, you're not going to have to take any of your own photos. You don't need any photography skills, any graphic skills. You won't need to have to be a camera. You can literally just find an app that's going to do everything for you, fully automatic. All you have to do is download a photo from this website, then you're going to upload it again on this app that's going to make you money, and you're going to be selling pretty fast with these photos, and that I can guarantee you. Now, so as you can see over here, it's called Fope.com, and this is their homepage, okay? And I want you to click on this button. Now I want you to click on sell your content, and that's going to bring you to this webpage where you're going to see over here, time to make extra money with your videos and photos. Now, if you're an Android user, you can just go on the Google Play Store, look for the app, make sure you download the right one with this logo, or else it's useless pretty much. And then if you're also like an iPhone user, then you can just go onto your app store, download the Fope app as well for completely free. Comment down below where you're from, what devices you use, and also tell me if you're an Android user or an iOS user. All this information really helps me figure out what to do for my future videos. I mean, these videos are for you guys anyway, so I really want to make sure I get as much output from you guys as possible. Now let's keep going. So really quickly, I want to show you the entire library on the Fope app or website, and you can see there's so many high quality photos that people are selling on this app, and they're making so much money with these photos. And the best thing that I like about Fope is that they give you a passive income opportunity. As soon as you upload the photos on this platform, even the next week, the next month, the next year, 10 years from now, you're still going to be able to receive money from this app, because the photos that you actually are going to upload and post it on phone, they're going to stay here forever as long as Fope is still active, as long as Fope is still running on the internet. And every single month, there are going to be millions and millions of visitors who are going to go on to Fope, browse, and shop for different photos that they probably want. So once again, you're not going to have to take any of your own photos, and I am going to be showing you something special that's going to basically give you out photos that you can resell for completely free. So for example, this is one of the photos that people are selling on this website. Every single photo you can get charged anywhere from $10 to like $150. Here's another example of a photo being sold, and again, same price range. Now I want you to take a look at this. You can simply upload your videos and your photos and you can earn cash. Basically, they're going to share the profit with you 50-50. So 50 goes to FOAP and 50 goes to your account. And the reason for this is because they're taking away 50 from the profit because they are going to be the ones selling or distributing your photos for you automatically. So FOAP is a very established, well-known website. They've worked with a lot of big brands already in the past, and they're going to automatically help you market and sell those photos that you have, the photos that you upload on this website. So you don't have to do any of the work yourself. All you have to do is find a photo, download it on your computer, and upload it on FOAP. And then you're going to receive passive income every single day. And now I want to show you something that's super interesting on this website. Now, other than simply selling the photos, you can also join like different missions. You can see here, for example, this mission right here, over $300 in cash reward. And right here, you can see on this mission, $800, and anywhere from like $200 to $1,000. And every single week there's a lot of different and new missions that you can actually join, where you can simply upload different photos based on the theme or the concept that they're asking or the instruction that they provided. And first of all, and there's just so many things you can find here. It's just a great opportunity to earn some extra cash in case you wanted to. Now, before I show you the secret website that I want to show you, another app which you can actually get photos for free, which I do highly suggest, is where you can get your photos that you are going to upload on FOAP, is called Shutterstock.com. Basically, on this website, it's super nice because they have just a huge library of different high quality and high resolution photos, and every single day people come out here to buy different pictures. Now, once again, you could be the one to contribute and upload some photos on Shutterstock as well, and you can simply share your photos and start earning money every single day. Now, the coolest thing about this strategy is that you can upload the exact same photo on both Shutterstock and FOAP. In that way, you're going to be making ×2, but your work is just good for one. So you sign up, okay, you're going to sign up obviously on both websites, and you're going to make more money. So you are going to be able to target different sets of people. Now, because they are certain people, they're going to go into FOAP to buy your photos, and they're also going to go to Shutterstock to again make another photo. So it's just really about strategy. Pretty much, you can just copy and paste the same photos and make money from both websites. So I just really want to emphasize that with you guys. So all you have to do is just click on this button to get started right now, and that's going to bring you to this page, and you're going to sign up for your free account. All you have to do is put in all of the information that they asked of you, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to show you a couple of websites where you're going to be able to find and download free high resolution images, and that's the photos that you're going to upload to FOAP and Shutterstock to make some money. If you guys are having fun with today's video, then make sure you leave us some love by liking and subscribing, by commenting down below what your favorite has been so far. You can also hit that bell so that every time we have a new video up, you're going to be notified, and you can always be the first to know about the best news only from Money Shark. So let's continue. So basically, this website is called burst.shopify.com. Now, from there, you can find different high quality and high resolution photos you can see here, and they can separate them into different categories. For example, there's work from home, there's fashion, women, fitness. There's just a lot of categories you can see and you can choose from that have all super high quality and great photos that are for completely free. You don't need any payment to do. You don't need any credit card information. You don't need to invest anything. For example, when I look into this category, let's say, and then we're gonna click on that category, you're gonna see all the photos that fall under that category. You're gonna download these photos into your computer in just one click of a button. You do this on your phone or a computer. So as soon as you download that, you're gonna click on this button to download it on high resolution. And then once you download it, okay, it's obviously going to be there already. And this is what you can use to pass and submit on FOAP and on Shutterstock and earn money from. Now, Another website also that you can find free stock photos, free high quality images is called pigweezer.com, and they have over 1 million different high quality photos and pictures and images which you can download for completely free using this website. So again, I promise you, you're gonna need nothing at all. You don't need skills, you don't need money, you don't need to take any of your photos, you don't need any equipment. Literally, it's just amazing. Now let's say when I click on this image right here, and that's going to take me to this page, and from there I can click on any one of these download buttons to download the photo on my computer. So as you can see, I've downloaded this photo from this website, and then I can go back to Shutterstock or Flip.com, and both actually. I'll go back to both. I'm going to post it there, and I can start receiving money completely passive every single day, and that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.